Today, I'm taking on the challenge of losing weight without hitting the gym. Let's see if I can drop some pounds using just my diet and lifestyle changes. One of the biggest myths out there is that losing weight requires hours of intense workouts and exercise. But what if I told you that's not entirely true? Believe it or not, it's possible to shed those extra pounds without ever setting foot in a gym. In fact, there are several effective methods that can help you reach your weight loss goals without working out. The reason why many people struggle to lose weight is because they think they need to spend hours at the gym every day. They believe that exercise is the only way to burn those extra calories and get rid of unwanted fat. But the truth is, that's not the case. The real culprit behind weight gain is often our lifestyle and dietary habits. By making a few simple changes, you can start seeing results without ever having to do a single burpee. I've seen so many people give up on their weight loss journey because they just can't seem to find the time to exercise. They get discouraged and think that it's just not possible to lose weight without working out. But I'm here to tell you that's not true. With the right strategies and mindset, you can lose weight without ever having to step foot in a gym. Many people think that exercise is the only way to burn calories, but that's just not the case. There are many other ways to boost your metabolism and accelerate weight loss without ever having to exercise. From dietary changes to lifestyle adjustments, there are so many effective methods that can help you reach your weight loss goals. One of the most effective ways to lose weight is by making dietary changes. By cutting back on calories and focusing on nutrient-dense foods, you can start seeing results in no time. It's all about creating a calorie deficit and making healthy swaps in your diet. For example, you can try swapping sugary drinks for water, or replacing processed snacks with fresh fruits and veggies. Another effective method is by making lifestyle adjustments. By increasing your physical activity levels throughout the day, you can boost your metabolism and burn more calories. This doesn't mean you have to start exercising. It's all about making small changes to your daily routine. For example, you can try taking the stairs instead of the elevator, or walking to work instead of driving. Behavioral strategies can also play a huge role in weight loss. By identifying your triggers and changing your mindset, you can start making healthier choices that lead to weight loss. For example, you can try keeping a food diary to track your eating habits, or seeking support from friends and family to help you stay on track. One of the most game-changing methods I've come across is intermittent fasting. By restricting your eating window and giving your body more time to digest, you can start seeing results in no time. It's all about creating a calorie deficit and boosting your metabolism, and it's surprisingly easy to do. For example, you can try fasting for 16 hours a day, or restricting your eating to just 8 hours a day. But here's the thing, intermittent fasting isn't for everyone. Some people may find it too restrictive or may have certain health conditions that make it difficult to follow. That's why it's so important to find a method that works for you and your lifestyle. Whether it's dietary changes, lifestyle adjustments, or behavioral strategies, there are so many effective ways to lose weight without working out. The key takeaway from today's video is that losing weight without working out is entirely possible. By making a few simple changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can start seeing results in no time. Remember, it's all about creating a calorie deficit and boosting your metabolism. And there are so many effective ways to do that without ever having to exercise. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new today. If you have any questions or experiences you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about healthy eating habits, be sure to check out my video on the topic.